Do your dogs? Do you have to live where the dogs are? Where they're loud? Hi. You're okay. I'm just doing your video. You're a pretty nice bun, aren't you? Would you let me pick you up and everything? That's hard for a bun to do. What's in there? Oh, it's slippery. Is it slippery in here? Good bun. What a super good bun you are. So cute. Are you so cute? At the end?